Hi folks, welcome back. Well, here we are, back in the garage. Let's see how our wee experiment went. Switch the charger off and disconnect the jump leads. Let's have a looky. Oh, big lump just fell back into the tank. As you can see, quite a bit of crud stuck to the sacrificial anode. Let's take the screw out that's holding the tank and we'll disconnect it and get it emptied out. Let's just see what it's loosened off and in the videos I actually watched and whatnot did actually say leave it for 2 days, but it's been nearly 24 hours, so here goes. Here goes nothing, as they say, but at least we never blew up. Right, so we've got a nice sort of a clearish plastic container, so you'll be able to see what actually comes out of it. Just got to see maybe my little stool. No, too high. Just leave it on the floor, just to try and stop the splashing. Anyway, here goes, folks. I think we can safely say it's loosened off a load of crap. Get the stuff at the bottom next. A wee shake. Oh, let's get the colour of that. Oh, there's some muck in there, boy. Well, I think we can safely say that worked. There's a load of crap came out of that. Wow. I'll get the camera and bring you down a bit closer to this tank and let you just see some of the stuff that's in this. Oof. Simba there. Let's grab my torch. See if I can maybe get a look inside the tank. I can see in it well, but the camera, I can't really get the camera close enough to focus along with the torch. But it certainly looks a lot cleaner in there. You can actually see the bits below the water line as cleaner than the bits above the waterline. You can see a massive difference. You can actually see where it's sort of neutralised the rust. I'm quite impressed. In fact, I'm very impressed. So I'm going to fill it back up again, and I'm going to repeat the process, people. I'll fill it up, newt it up again with the sodium carbonate, and leave it overnight again. I'll empty this bucket out, get it clean out, and we'll give it another flush just to see how much is actually left in there. And then what I'm maybe actually try and do, I've got a friend of mine has got one of those little endoscopes. Maybe get one of them and plunk that down inside, or failing that, get the camera in through the sender hole while I put the torch down through the top or something. I'll try and get some means of letting you see what it looks like inside. But yeah, wow, really impressed. So far so good. So a wee top up of the sodium carbonate. Tank's now filled. Let's heat that in again. But yeah, I'm suitably impressed by this process. I said I don't know what the charger would cost to run for the day. Not a lot, but I'm sure some bright spark that would be able to do the calculation for me. $24 hours for an 8 amp charger, but it's not pulling a full 8 amp. But anyway. No, we'll get it hooked up again. As I say, we'll leave it overnight again, and tomorrow when I come in, I'll do the same again. I'll do a little video of me emptying it. I'll just clip the little overflow pipe back onto the cap again, just to keep it above the water level. And then connect the clips back up again. Switch it back on, and she's away again. Have a wee wipe up, and we'll call it a day. So as I say, I'll let it run overnight again and see what's left in it in the morning. So, hope you enjoyed the wee experiment. I certainly did, and it certainly works. Highly recommend it. So anyway, thanks for watching, people. If you liked the wee video, don't forget, give us a like and a subscribe. Take care out there, people. Until tomorrow, ta-ra.